Set the humidity value according to your needs. You can set the humidity value in the range of 30 to 80%. 45 to 55% is recommended to be the most comfortable. Airspeed can also be adjusted in dehu mode. Turn it on and switch to dry mode. Humidity value and airspeed cannot be adjusted in dry mode. Airspeed will switch to high. This allows for continuous high-speed operation to achieve the goal of drying clothes. Turn on the power and switch to comp mode. In this mode, you cannot set the humidity. You can only adjust the speed to affect the dehumidification rate. When the water tank is full, you can easily remove it for drainage. You can also connect our provided hose for continuous drainage. Long press the safety lock 2 to 3 seconds will take effect. Next, all commands are locked and cannot be changed. The dehumidifier includes a washable filter to prevent dust buildup. Easily remove, wash with water, and reinstall for convenience. For any further inquiries, please feel free to contact our support team at support@wellsle.com. We've got your questions covered within 24 hours.